Hi guys, welcome back to TechnoWeb Hack, and in the previous tutorial I have shown you how you will go ahead and install your DVWA in the Windows operating system, and now in this tutorial I will show you how you will go ahead and do the same thing in the Kali Linux machine. Alright, so let's start it. So first of all, you will have to download the DVWA in the Firefox in the Kali Linux machine, and I will provide you the link in the description. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the dvwa.co.uk. Alright, so make sure that proxy setting is correct for downloading, and I think already I have shown you how you will go ahead and download that. So I will not disable it. Let's keep it as it is, as I have already shown you in the previous tutorial. Once you go to website, you can simply download it from there. Just download it, install it there. And next thing is, as how you have downloaded and installed the XAMPP server, the XAMPP in your Windows. So here you no need to download the XAMPP, as you have the Apache server and MySQL server installed in your Kali Linux machine. So what the next step is, once you download your the DVWA, open the download folder. Okay, the same setting that we need to follow here, but with some okay, so DVWA and master, same. So you have to go to the config and you will see dist, that's the thing here, and you just have to edit to the PHP, and once you open it, it will open like this. And I have already shown you in the Windows how you will go ahead and edit your password. So there will be something as a password, you just have to remove it from the you just have to remove this and only keep the single quote, and then save the file and then close this file. So after this, go back to your download and then copy this folder, go back to your location, that is where, then www, then html. So here you have to paste this folder, as I have already pasted it here, so I will not go ahead and paste it now. So next thing is, we will go ahead and you will start your MySQL and your Apache server. So you will start it using services or service Apache 2 and start. Okay, so you will start it using this command. Same way you will have to type service MySQL start. Alright, that's all. And once you will open the burp suite, and then next is open your browser, Chrome browser, and then you would be able to access as a 127.0.0.1, and let's see that you should be able to access the I think when we start the burp suite, make sure that the intercept is off, so that you should be able to access this. So you can see that DVWA master is open, and you can click on this. So it will ask you for the login, which is the by default admin and password as a credential. But there is a tricky part here, is as you are using a Kali Linux, you will not have a MySQL DB, and by default Kali Linux is having the MariaDB. So it will not be easy for you guys to set it up in this way. So what you have to do is, let's go back to this folder, go back here, and here you will find the readme.md. So open this file. You can see it is already mentioned over here what are the things that you need to do in your Kali Linux machine to set this up properly. So as you can see, Note, if you are using a MariaDB rather than MySQL, so MariaDB is a default in Kali, and yes, that's why. So then you can't use the database root user. So you must create a new database user, and to do this, connect to the database as a root user, then use the following command. So these are the commands that you need to perform while to set this up properly. Alright, so what you need to do is you need to connect to the MySQL or your database by using this command. Okay, so you need to log into like MySQL by using root. So root MySQL -u as a user, and then type root. So yeah, you got logged in, and now you can see this is a MariaDB. As you can see, it is a by default username. Once now you get it, so you have to perform this command, create a database DVWA, as I have already done that. So yeah, but still I will show you how to do. So once you do it, yeah, you can see that can't access or can't create the database DVWA database exists because I have already created it. So if this is the first time for you guys, so it will say that query okay, one row affected. Same way, you just have to copy this till here, okay, and paste it here. So it will create a password for your DVWA the user, that's the database. So the super secret password 99. So it will create a new password for this, and next thing you need to do is flush privileges. This command you will run in the same way here. Okay, once you do that these things, alright, so then quit or exit by using exit command, yeah, and then like close the terminal, or fine, no problem. Then you can come back here under the config, config.php, and then here you have to do some changes. So what is that? That is as you can see here, it says you will then need to update the config file. The new entries will look like this. So your DB user should be DVWA, your DB password should be like this, which we have set in our while setting your MySQL. So database should be DVWA. So here you can see the database and the user and the password, we have set it correctly as how it asked to do. So we have done this part now, and now then we can save this file and then close it. Alright guys, so then once you do this configuration properly, go back here in your Firefox, or after this then you need to make sure that you start your services, that is Apache 2 and MySQL service, like this. Okay, after this you will open the Firefox. Make sure that you have set up your proxy. As you can see, this is the 127.0.0.1 proxy it is having, and you set it up in your settings as I have shown you already this thing. So here you go, and here you go, and XY proxy. Alright, so here you need to type it in the manual proxy configuration, 8080 as a port. Okay, we have set it up already. Then close it, and now once you go ahead and try to log into the 127.0.0.1, you might end up with some error that says like the database is not set up correctly, or it will give you the option to reset the database. So you just have to reset the database. The page you will see is like so the page that you will see is like this, like this, the page you will see, and down below here you will see the option like create or reset the database. You just have to do this. Once you click on reset or create the database, so it will then prompt you a login page. As let's see if it will prompt for us now, as I have created and resetted the database here. So let's see that now I have done that. Okay, I have resetted the database. Okay, not sure why, but yes. So once you do this and then go back to your 127.0.0.1, yes, click on this, it will then ask you for the login and password. So by default the username and password will be admin, and password as a password without any uppercase, So here you have set it up your own server where you can try or test your hacking skill to perform uh, the brute force or SQL injection, yeah, or yeah, XSS vulnerability or command injection, anything that you want to do, we can do it here. And this I will show you in the next video, how we will go ahead and we will try to hack to the websites, or how we will go ahead and we will perform this brute force attack and all this thing by using a burp suit. Alright guys, so this is all for this tutorial. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button or bell icon so that you will not miss the next videos that will be coming. Alright, so thanks for watching and bye bye.